Namaskar students, today we will learn how to find the standard error of the difference between the two means when the two groups are small in size and are independent. For finding the standard error of the difference, first we have to calculate the standard deviation, and this standard deviation is calculated using this formula where small x is the deviation of the scores from the mean and it is x minus m, and y small is y minus m, and mean are the respective mean of these groups. And after calculating the pooled standard deviation, we find out the standard error of difference using this formula, right? So let us understand what is the procedure when we are actually calculating them. So suppose we are given two groups x and y. The scores of group are these, and here the n is 6. And in the group y, we have the scores which are these, and these are in number 10. Now we first find out the mean. So for finding the mean, we know it is summation x over n1 or nx. So this is summation x in this case is 180 over 6. So this is 30, right? So since it is the whole number, we can find the deviation of each of these scores using the actual mean. So deviation is x minus m. So deviations are these. Now we can find the x square of the deviation. Right? So we have calculated summation x square, and this is equal to 110. So our summation x square is 110. Now similarly we will find the mean of the y scores. So summation y is here 240. So mean is summation y over ny, which is equal to 240 over 10, and it is 24. Here again we have the whole number, so we can find the deviation from the actual mean. So y is equal to y minus my. So deviation is like this. So we can find y square. And if we add this, it comes out to be 352. So we have summation y square equal to 352. Now we have to use the formula. So we know that standard deviation can be calculated using this formula. So if we put the values, we will get 110 from here plus 352 over 6 plus 10 minus 2. So this is 462 over 14, and it is equal to, right? So we will now calculate the standard error of difference. Standard error of difference can be calculated using this formula. We have already calculated SD. So this is 5.74 under root 6 plus 10 over 60, 6 into 10, right? So this is 5.74, and if we do the calculation, it is 0.5164. So this is 2.96. So this is how we calculate the standard error of difference.